Some animals can rebuild whole limbs after losing them. That sounds fake, but for some salamanders, it is real. After injury, the skin seals fast, and special cells gather near the missing spot. The strange part is that the body does not just patch the gap. It starts rebuilding the missing shape, piece by piece, until the new limb matches the old one. In some species, that repair can restore a full limb, making injury look temporary instead of permanent. Next time you hear regeneration, remember this: some animals do not just survive an injury, they reroute it into a rebuild.